Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest on a Dell Precision 15 version 3510. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First loosen screws, then use fingers to separate and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Next, separate clips and remove memory. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Now disconnect and remove wireless card. Then unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Then disconnect keyboard cables. Now unscrew and remove keyboard. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Now disconnect DC jack. Then unscrew and remove dock frame. Then unscrew and disconnect mouse buttons. Now unscrew and remove LED board. Now unscrew and remove LED board. Next, disconnect and remove speakers. Then unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Now unscrew and disconnect motherboard. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.